There's a lot of Nollywood actresses who have been married before and divorced, but you will hardly know. Maybe they divorced many years ago and have been acting single for a long time that they probably forgot about their marriage. So today, I bring to you Nollywood actresses you probably didn't know were once married. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.
Chika Ike. Nollywood actress Chika Ike got married to her billionaire husband Tony Eberiri in 2006. In 2013, she opened up on how she was domestically abused in her past marriage. She then filed for divorce due to domestic violence in 2013. Chika Ike's marriage was annulled at the Abuja High Court after the actress made several allegations against her husband Tony Eberiri, and they finally divorced that same 2013. Right now, the actress has been enjoying her single life, acting as if she has never been married before. Kate Henshaw. In 1999, Kate Henshaw met and married her husband, a British-born Roderick Nuttall. The couple was together for 12 years, but the union shattered in 2011. During her breakup with her British husband, Kate was not in a hurry to share what went wrong. Some reports claimed that it was due to different cases of infidelity from Roderick's part. Ever since their divorce, Roderick Nuttall has moved on with his life and remarried. Oge Okoye. In 2006, Oge Okoye got married to her ex-husband Stanley Duru, and the same year they had their first child. However, after having their first child, things started going down from there. The couple faced some serious marital issues and finally separated. Most reports stated that Oge Okoye cheated on Stanley Duru, which made him to retaliate by cheating on her back. During their falling apart, Stanley dated a woman in Amsterdam and had a son with her, but he could not save their marriage, so the two went their separate ways in 2012. That's Oge Okoye and Stanley Duru. Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo Ojo got married when she was 21. Her husband's name is not mentioned anywhere, but it was said that he is a famous movie marketer. In addition, there were some rumors going around that he was the one that helped Iyabo Ojo become popular in Nollywood. However, Iyabo Ojo denied it, saying that the only reason they got married is because she was pregnant for the man. She gave birth to her first child at the age of 21, immediately after they got married. 2 years later, she became pregnant for her second child and gave birth to a baby girl known as Priscilla. Despite the fact that she was blessed with 2 children and enjoyed motherhood, she did not feel happy about her marriage for reasons only known to her. So she, however, divorced her husband. Angelo Okorie. Angelo Okorie's husband does not appear much in the news, but when it happens, it's always connected to scandals. His name is Mr. Chukwuma Orizu. Angelo Okorie and her husband have a son together. His name is Chamberlain Oruzi. Actually, it may be difficult to live with someone who is the focus of the media. Chukwemeka Orizi does not seem to be coping with it very well. In 2016, Daily Post posted a conversation they had with Angelo Okorie about her divorce. Actually, she didn't confirm divorcing her husband, neither did she give clue about being with her husband. She only stated that her personal life should not be center of media discussion. Toke Makinwa. On 15 January 2014, Toke Makinwa married Maje Aida, whom she has been involved with for more than 8 years. In 2015, she separated with Aida after discovering that he had impregnated his ex-girlfriend. Wow. On 5th October 2017, Toke Makinwa's marriage with Aida was dissolved by a Lagos High Court on the ground that Aida committed adultery. Iniedo. The gorgeous Nollywood actress married her ex-husband Philip Ehiaguna in 2008. Philip is a Nigerian businessman who resides and works in the United States of America. In 2014, the actress and her husband split, and for many, it was a surprise. While some people actually believed that the marriage would not last together for a long time. However, she wrote on her Twitter account saying, "I asked for a divorce from my ex-husband because of lots of irreconcilable differences. I never cheated on my husband." One of the primary reasons of their breakup was the fact that they were based in different countries. Uche Obodo. Nollywood actress Uche Obodo and her ex-footballer actor Obi got married on October 2nd, 2013. However, the couple got divorced in 2014. Although there were several insinuations on what made the marriage end, the couple have a daughter together named Mildred. Ibinabo Fiberisima. In 2014, the Nollywood actress got married to Uche Ebuka. A lot of media resources wrote about the wedding. It was so beautiful that the couple had their traditional white wedding. But in 2017, the actress stated that their marriage has crashed and they have both gone their separate ways. Mercy Aigbe. In 2013, Mercy Aigbe married a Nigerian hotelier, Larry Gentry, and had 2 children, a girl and a boy, and 3 stepchildren. In 2017, she shared photos of herself after being assaulted by her husband. She consequently separated from her husband due to claims of domestic violence and started a campaign against domestic violence. Mbog Amata. In 2001, at an audition in Calabar, Nollywood actress and beauty queen Mbog Amata met Jetta Amata. 2 years later, when she turned 18, they began dating. They married in 2008 and their daughter Veno was born later that year. In 2013, they separated and in 2014, they divorced after 10 years of marriage. Susan Peters. Nollywood actress Susan Peters got married to her Dutch husband at the Ikoyi registry in Lagos, but her fans were shook after the divorce of her 2015 marriage surfaced online.
Basically, there would never be a particular reason. You know how these things work. I mean, it's like I said, differences, incompatibility, or not being able to reach certain compromises, or, finding common ground. When you're with someone, even your work partner, if you cannot find common grounds, if you cannot agree on certain things.
On my wedding day, I discovered my husband did not love me. On my wedding night, he said, I do not love you. I only married you because you were pregnant. And I gave my life to Christ again. And I held on because I just could not walk out of a marriage I just got into. And I decided to have my son in church. And I did have him. The Redeemed Christian Church in Etere, Mushe. And the first time that boy popped out, every pain I felt, every sadness, every guilt, every blame, everything just away. It went away because I put all the love in that boy, Festus. And I loved him with all my heart. And I never extended any hate to him. Nor did I ever make him see the tears I shed today. And I made a vow that I would give him all the love. Because he did not beg to come to this world. He did not beg to come to this world. I brought him into this world. And I will take care of him. And today I am so happy that God answered my prayers. And in the bid of trying to make my marriage work, I found out I was pregnant again. And this time the situation was even more worse. It was worse because my husband was, he was gone even while we were together. And I tried to love him with every bit of me. I tried to give him everything, but he wasn't understanding my kind of love.
Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nollywood marriage divorces you never knew happened? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It's a boy Jimozi. It's a boy Jimozi. The boy Jimozi. It's a boy